Hi guys, in today's video I am showing you how to compound clips in Capcut. The process is straightforward and effortless, but before starting the process, let me explain the meaning of compound clip. Basically, the compound clip is same as merging, means you can merge 2 or more videos by compounding these videos. And after compounding, all the videos will look like a single video, and you can move all the videos with a single tick. So let's get started, and how can we compound clip in Capcut? As you can see, I already import a single video in Capcut, and I will add 2 or 3 more videos in the Capcut and will compound all together. So let's add some more clips. So just for an example, I add 3 more clips and I will compound all these clips together. Then these clips will look like a single video. So how can you do it? For this, I have 2 ways. The first way is you can select all these clips by tapping Ctrl-A from your keyboard. As you can see, all the clips has been selected, and if you don't want to do it with your keyboard, then you can select all of these with the help of your mouse. Simply do a left click of your mouse and do like me. And now, after selecting all the clips, do a right click of your mouse. And here you can find the option, Create Compound Clips, tap on it. And here you can see a single clip has been created in the Capcut because all the videos are compound together. So it was the fundamental way by which you can create a compound clip in Capcut.